Welcome back to Balabas Gist. They say Ijele family don't cry come outside though. They say that since 30 years, Ijele have never visited their family house in Amandoa. No be smart, you know, the man make a lot of revelation in this video that Ijele has nothing to do with their family because Ijele have not been coming home. Say they warn him of his action. No be smart, na go hear am. Shortly, Ijele can't drop video, can't send a lie. You know, send anybody to come talk with am. Now some people come they ask wetin dey sick Ijele, why he come be like this, like person wey dey remove blood for him body. My people, it don't read. They say since this Iran and America and Israel war start, Esasare Dokubo, Inyash they do and pane. Now so Inyash they do and willy. Asare Dokubo don't come outside, they come make many video. They cry, say why did they buy his Muslim brothers? We go play the video, may you watch. My people, it don't read though. They say that one small boy, where they for northern part of Nigeria, I don't know why they never send Ijele go there, may go rescue those people because now him be the help anywhere where they say they fight people where carry gun, Ijele go there, but I don't know why they never send them go this particular one for the northern part of Nigeria. They don't go vandalize. In fact, they buy many Nigerian military. No say news, no they carry so many things. They buy many of them. And you go see video where the guy release. So stay tuned as they watch these videos where we go play now step by step. And make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. In fact, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now watch the full videos.
We thank God. I need DK. Okay, my brother. Okay, can I do Chineke? Man. Can I do Chineke? Man. Yes, one man follow you. How many you to Amandoba? Okay. Family of people, you know. Okay, sir. Last time we go, you know, I'm making a program, you know. Last time we go, I was getting an element about Chukoka. Yes. Otoji Abagwa. One name working in Kewezu, that boy. I had a couple of auto. From the one who between here and for us, my junior brother, for one land, not ever one I got who's out there. You have to okay against my neo man, from the family need Otaka there. So, Obro no more, I know who was smoke, that a lawyer. Yeah, only come I reach your family, my family are supporting here. All right. I'm telling you. All right. When we hold na family are supporting your name. Even if I'm not working, you will let 10 to 15 years who come up and buy. You see? You know? See? So when they over to them you know, in Alament, over to them, my way said, okay, woman, the Pataure face. So, anyway, slow more fast, and a family I do support any worker. You know, the money should take on them here. My family support them. Okay. So, when the Otaka goes, thank you. Otaka goes, I'm sorry. The situation. Thank you, sir. You got that? Thank you. Okay, my brother. Oh, yes, my buddy. One email. Oh, yeah. Oh, they are going to support you. You know, Bagayo. From this boy. Now, blame me for his actions like this. From the one who did here. So, who would you say, oh, why would you be happy with this, Bobo? I'm telling you the fact. Mpaya was the last born of my child. I'm telling you, Mpaya was your name. Oh. So, okay, coach, you want them to come like a book. All not the family, the perform. What would you support together? At all. Okay, sir.
Oh, the my how one noodle. One year okay. On behalf of the family, I apologize to Nonsonkwa na the terrible attitude and Delibu Deledaga. Original so can make content. You know, so all you do again, Munu Delawo who the same class. Munu Delawo have the same level. We work with the Camoni again on at the same level. No wake, man, no wazo, Muni. So why I keep reacting to Honey who can't happy Iche? No way joke on it because the buy is in our Obarakiti Kurekwe. Don't be so, Obarakiti Kurekwe. So if he fire, I will fire back. If he lambast, I will lambast back. And on social media, who bas boys, on your piagage paguria, on your yoguria, that is social media for you. Then I put as physical.
Hello, my people. Yeah, this is your brother Chukwuka of Ijele speaks, the king of the game. Today's date is March 2nd, 2026. Please disregard the nonsense news by these IPOB ESN miscreants, the Eastern Sprinters Network that couldn't stand and fight when we came to Mother Valley, or Suitoka, which Itato was their headquarters. They couldn't do anything. Now, the moment I went back to Abuja, I started hearing them talking their rubbish. It's just to cover their shame. And the more they try to cover their shame, is the more shameful they get. Although they are shameless. Shame no dey their face. All these useless Umutobo that they captured their father or they ambushed their father. Which people want to ambush? All these ones where they run, where they fear. You can actually see the photos. The photos will be showing right now of them running away. The people that said they are here to fight, that they want to finish Nigeria, and just a few people came after them, and Umutobo ran away. So my people, disregard the nonsense. And please, I don't have any cousin I've told to go and beg anyone for me. And you people know that, one, I've never begged anybody for anything. I've never apologized to anybody I did not wrong. What is the name of this criminal from Umunoha, the people that wanted to steal Umo people's land? Now, in order to cover that shame, I don't know who they are. Just expect any rubbish from these bastards. Expect them to be vomiting any nonsense in order to still maintain that air of invisibility or that fake narrative they are spreading. Make you believe that they are strong, they are powerful. These are bastards. These are fools, all of them. Go check them. All their leaders. Butuzo, failed carpenter. Gentle, failed carpenter in about 6 months. There he go carry Okada. They ride, of course, you people know. Uwaha, Nkana Uwam, another failed carpenter. I pencil, keke mechanic. So don't be taking these people more serious than you should. Apart from going after local people, the innocent people, hapless citizens, old women in the village, old men. Imagine the idiot in Umunoha flogging the of Umunoha. But when it's time to face men, you see them running away, scampering for safety. So my people, I just want to clear the air. I'm very fine and I appreciate all of your concerns, but when you hear this type of thing, just go straight to any of my pages, mostly the king of the game, Ijele Speaks Remix, or the Big Masquerade. Go there, you still see my videos, you see me posting. So don't buy any of their nonsense. Thank you.
Allahu Akbar wal jihadi. Bura ubanku gatanan tuncinye ga wasu ta yamma. Bura ubanku gobe ma ku kara mana. Babbar bura ubanku kun ci zarafin tsohi wallahi dan Allahu Akbar bura ubanku ga munan mun kone Mansur. Mansur ne muka kone bura ubanku ga munan cikin kango. Ku zo mana sojoji. Bura ubanku ga munan cikin Mansur cikin
Random. What crime has Iran committed? That they are being bombed, they are being incinerated. All the crimes that Hitler was accused of, we have made it into nonsense. And the world was. And the hypocrisy of the world become more obvious. Where is the conscience of the world? When you see Gaza totally destroyed, over 70 years of concentration camp, open concentration camp. What moral will we have to speak of other atrocities when we have not spoken of Gaza and now Iran? Like I said in my previous video, Iran is standing alone, challenging the great Satan. This war is not war against Iran, it's war against every one of us. It's a Jeffrey Epstein war that is going on. The American president has been taken to a secure location. Why will he go to a secure location if he's strong? In Biolotu. Why will he go to secure location? In fact, America. The other one, they said he has run to, is it Greece or Italy? His plane had been moved out. You see them scampering, running into shelter. Iran, I salute you. The courage of Iran will encourage the whole world. And let me tell you, the fall of America is close now. One single country fighting America, fighting Great Britain.
My people, abeg make una help me send this message give Asari Dokubo. Say my house near im house. And last time I check, we no even get air defense system. We no even get anything wey fit protect us. Abeg Asari, if you help me pack go that your empty land wey dey bush so that e dey there, if US wan answer you, they go answer you, only you for that side. Because this many talk wey dey talk no put us for trouble o. No put us for, no be tomorrow night go say na AI. My people, abeg make una share this video, drop your own opinion for inside comment section. My people, no forget say still dey for Balabas gist. As you dey watch, make sure say you share the video so that other people go dey get the information and know how e take dey go. Follow this page for more updates.